Welcome to the checkout guide. If you are new to Shopify and using percentage discount, it's important to set discount limits so customers don't receive very large discount on expensive orders. For example, a 10% discount on a high cart total can become a huge discount amount. So today I'll show you how to set discount limits in Shopify using the next discount app. So if you're new to this channel, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Let's get started. First go to the Shopify admin dashboard. Then here in app section, click on next discount. Then here click on read new discount. Here we can create a code. Here I create save 10, then give the percentage. I give here 10. Then this is the capping amount. This is very important. That means it said the maximum discount customer can receive. So even if 10% become more than $50, the discount will stop at 50. So that here we have to give $50 as capping amount. So then the discount apply for all product. Then discount message is for automatic discount. Then here there is no, I give no minimum purchase requirement. Then the eligibility to all customer. Then maximum discount uses limit to 1 use per customer. Then here we have to set the date from the offer start date to set the end date. So here I set. Then this product discount can be combined with, here I select all option. So that's it. Then click on save. Now it has been saved. Now we can go to the online store. Then here we can click on one product. Here the amount is 500. So here I add one more quantity. So click on add to cart. Go to the cart icon. Then click on cart. Yeah, it has been added. Now the total amount is 1000. Then we apply 10% off. Then it will be actually $900. But let's see how much we can save. Click on apply. Yeah, here it is applied to, it is only save 50 rupees, $50 because we set the capping amount as 50. So the discounts have limit. So that's it. That's how beginner can easily set discount limits in Shopify using Next Discount app. So if you found this helpful, please subscribe, like, share, comment and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.